kittens.
Oh, there's 2 of them in there.
They're just chilling. Over there. I'm going to. Sorry. I'm going to pick
Is it just 3s or no?
Oh my god. So, we just had a baby.
Tired.
He's sleeping. Oh, that one's like a little sleepy. I was just ready to go.
Yeah, he's hyper. Oh, I need a photo so bad.
He's like so bleary. I don't know what's going on. And you're just gonna sleep, huh? Hey, are you gonna eat? Or are you gonna go back to bed? Gonna go back to bed.
Yeah. Oh, he likes that corner.
Immediately. Back to bed. Back to bed. Are you trying to fall asleep on my phone? Are you trying to fall asleep on my phone? Or you just want to get into that
A little crevice.
hole? Any holes in front? Oh my god. I could just die. Right? Just gotta let you sleep. Just gotta let you sleep. He's pretty hyper.
Yeah.
He's so fluffy.
He's so fluffy.
Nice.
The climber.
Oh my god.
Are you trying to get
I think he likes your like fluffy hoodie.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
There you go, Ben. Just cuddle him. He just wants to sleep.
Okay, you want me to bend down a little more. Okay.
You're just knocked the fuck out.
Oh. Don't fall off. Don't fall off.
Well, he's pretty agile. Where are you going? Oh. There you go. You're so soft. You're so soft.
Use Calvin's camera to take a photo.
Of course I can.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, she's going right for the camera.
Oh.
This is the best.
Come on, hit the finger.
Time to say goodbye.
Beautiful kitten, so playful. Yeah, that kitten's quite a climber.
So we are a non-profit organization. We're not compensated for being here. So if you're able to make a donation,
Oh, for
that's
sure.
very,
I'm
very
totally
helpful
going
us.
to.
Yeah.
Oh, here's your phone.
Bye, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Bye, babies.
He's just
Go for the corner.
knocked out. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you for coming.
Thank you. Oh, that was so adorable. Not long enough, not long enough. I just want to stay there forever.
Oh, I love that corner.
That kid really loved it. Like, he was like totally in this party.
Yeah,
I felt like, are you gonna jump into the hoodie?
That would have been awesome.